everybody, Max Scoville here for IGN News. Amateur footage taken on the set of the upcoming Suicide Squad film reveals an upcoming scene in which Harley Quinn and the Joker argue, culminating in him angrily backhanding her across the face. The video, which we can't show due to copyright concerns, appears to be from a flashback scene where Margot Robbie's Harley is still Harleen Quinzel. She's seen shooting a bystander who tries to interrupt their conversation before turning the gun on Jared Leto's Joker. A host of photos from the scene have also appeared, along with a few of the Joker's ride, which appears to be a sick purple Vador supercar bearing the license plate ha ha ha. This is the latest in a long series of leaks from the upcoming movie. We've seen plenty of Robbie as Quinn so far, though also recently got our first look at Killer Croc and Deadshot. For more on Suicide Squad, stay tuned to IGN.